I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious cupcakes with yogurt using an easy method. First, gather your wet ingredients. In a medium bowl, combine 1/2 cup of plain yogurt with 1/4 cup of milk. Next, add 1/2 cup of granulated sugar and 1 large egg. Finally, mix in 1/4 cup of vegetable oil and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract until everything is well combined and smooth. This forms the moist base for your cupcakes. Now let's prepare the dry ingredients. In a separate, larger bowl, whisk together 1 1/2 cups of all-purpose flour. Then, add 1 1/2 teaspoons of baking powder and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Once your dry ingredients are ready, gradually add the wet mixture to the dry mixture. Gently fold them together until just combined. Be careful not to overmix, as this can make your cupcakes tough. It's time to get these delicious treats into the oven. First, line a standard muffin tin with 12 paper liners. Evenly distribute the cupcake batter among the liners, filling each one about 2/3 full. This ensures they bake perfectly without overflowing. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake for 18 to 22 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Let them cool completely on a wire rack. Once your cupcakes are completely cooled, it's time for the fun part, frosting. Prepare your favorite frosting, whether it's a classic vanilla buttercream, a tangy cream cheese frosting, or something else entirely. Pipe or spread the frosting generously onto each cupcake, adding sprinkles or other decorations if you like. These yogurt cupcakes are incredibly moist and flavorful, perfect for any occasion. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.